What's up, people? So welcome to Bicolana's Kitchen again. So now we are going to make paella valenciana a la Bicolana. Come on. So we made already an annatto oil. So it's made of annatto seeds here. Yeah. So we'll put some 2 tablespoons of annatto oil. We'll saute onion and garlic. Alright. So half of it we will use it in the, I prefer to saute first this one and then the meat. Okay? Alright. So we're just only going to use the chicken breast with the heart of the chicken because my babes like this one. So this one will take like 30 minutes cooking. To cook it. And after this one, if we cook the chicken already with the heart, we will add some chicken liver as well here. And add as well, we just only have some green beans and also, yeah, the spicy chili that Nana had, and also some bell pepper. It's just only from the backyard, you know. It's fresh. Just add another amount of oil. So we're just going to try it. We're just going to use later on the sticker rice as well, as you can see. But I just mix some rice for it, so that it won't be like too sticky. But you need to wash it first and then soak it in the water, so that it will be easier to cook. Like maybe like 20 to 30 minutes to cook it. And then you just saute it. We will do it. We'll saute it with onion and garlic and annatto oil as well. And then we will just simmer. If you have a vegetable or like meat, what they call this one, broth, that's better. But you can just only use water as well. There's like, I hope that my babes will like this one. And let's add the chicken cubes. You can use chicken powder if you want, or whatever season. What you like. You can use also pinisa mix for the taste of your chicken or the meat that you will use. You can also use pork actually. My babes likes it with chicken, of course. They prefer the chicken breast.
Chicken breast, people.
Yeah, and lots of chicken breast instead. Alright.
Coming from South London, you know, we eat a lot of chicken, huh?
Yeah. And here's the chicken liver.
So we got chicken liver and chicken breast, yeah?
Instead of pork. You like it better.
And the paella.
Yeah. But this is just only the toppings of this one.
Toppings,
So
yeah?
after this, we will cook the rice. We'll saute it with annatto oil and also with onion and garlic. I prefer sauteing it though. And we cook it properly, the chicken liver. the here. You can add another oil. This one.
So this is a Filipino dish.
It is Spanish, of course. It's
Yeah, we know
paella.
paella is Spanish, but
Yeah.
is this a Filipino style paella?
Yeah, it is Filipino style. So now we will add our black pepper and then the chili. I cut it already and some onion. Yeah, and some peas, the green peas. Then you can add. I just only have a Nor seasoning session here for the taste. I won't put pepper anymore since it's already with bell pepper and chili, some chilies for my face. Just love it with chilies.
Looking good, babe.
Yeah,
Bico style, yeah. Taste test.
Ready to try?
Hold on. I'll wait till the finished product. But that's just teasing me, innit? Taste test.
Yeah, because you wanted to try the paella as well before. Next time I will make you a seafood one. Isn't it? And we will give some for Nana as well. Alright? So, we will set this aside. Alright?
Yeah. How long do you cook that for? How long? 5 minutes?
Yeah, 5 to 10 minutes. It depends on the pork or the meat that you will use. And then now, we will saute again. We will use the same pan. Annatto oil again.
What oil is it? No.
Annatto.
Anato.
Yeah, annatto seeds.
What's that?
Um,
For the Western viewers, what is that one?
well, this one, the local one that we had, because usually you use saffron, right? But for us, we use the annatto seeds.
Okay.
Yeah. But I cook it with oil earlier. So now we saute the onion.
Oh, you cook the seeds, huh?
Yeah, already. That's why the color of this one, it's like orange. So onion and garlic.
And if I have to admit, this Bicolana food is always amazing.
Right, so now we will put the soaked rice. So you can see the color of this one already. So we need a spoon. So we use the sticker rice. Well, Mama is making this in Paella Valenciana, but it's already mixed, not like a toppings. So it's like she's making like biko here. So we will add water and simmer it. So the water, it depends on how much you need to cook it. So of course it should be cooked properly. Since it's a rice, it shouldn't be like al dente, yeah?
So say again.
What's up, people? So now here is the sauteed meat and some vegetable, the one that we made. So there's bell pepper in it and also some chili and also green peas. Yeah, so it's sauteed already. So we're making already the rice. We sauteed it again in onion and garlic and annatto. Yeah, and then we will add some flavoring. So I will use the cubes and also some Nor seasoning and also some pepper. Since my babes loves a little spicy. Let's just put this one set aside.
And how long are you letting that cook? 20 minutes?
Yeah, together with this one, maximum of 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. It depends. But this one, just only like maybe 15 to 20 minutes for this rice. It depends. It depends as well. We'll just put some water. So just make it simmer. Do you want this one spicy, the rice?
Yeah, but if the food's spicy anyway, isn't it?
Well, not really spicy, but we can add the chili here first, and then I can just remove it so that, of course, I wanted to eat as well. Not just only you. Because you like spicy. You're more Bicolana than me.
This is a Bicolana, it's not really heavy on too much spice.
Yeah, not really a fan.
But the Londoner loves a bit of spice.
Oh, my son loves it. Amir loves this one. So we can add more. I think it's better for us to try to cover it. So let's try to cover it and then simmer it a little bit. So I just wanted you to try this one, of course, because you said before you wanted to do a business for this one, innit? But now, so we know some recipe for paella, so I wanted to try it. So I hope you will like it.
So 20 minutes and we come back and
Yeah, maybe
we're ready to eat.
Alright.
Okay, people.
Alright, people. We'll see you later. And we'll try it. We'll do the tastes. So we're here again, people. What's up? So here is our product. Here's the food that we made today. So here is the Paella Valenciana a la Bicolana's Kitchen. So you want to try it?
Of course.
All right. So we will try it, my babes. We'll try it.
We're looking forward to this one.
It will be hot, babe.
Looks good.
I think it's good. Right here. It's hot. How is it? It's just hot.
Oh, that is so nice.
You like it?
Taste it. What do we give it? So what do I give it out of 10? Well, it's got to be a 10, innit?
Thank you, babe.
Because my Filipina is the best cook.
Wow,
And
really?
she loves cooking. And cooking is her actual passion. And she's a head chef. So yeah, so she knows
That's
her
a lot
stuff.
of introduction.
No, it's true, huh?
Let's try to.
Yeah, so people, I'm gonna sit down and enjoy.
Paella, people. Paella. Alright.
There she is.
Oh, let's take a seat, babe.
Alright, let's take a seat. We've got some lemon water there on the table. Okay, so what about the recipe?
So yeah, if they need the recipe, we can just only give it to them later on. They can put some comment on it. Yeah. And then we can hand over the recipe as well. We will share it to everyone. Since it's good, like what you said.
Okay, well let's eat.
Alright.
People, it's time for me to eat. So we'll see you in the next video.
Yes, we'll see you in the next video, people.
Bicolana Kitchen.